All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Today we're going to learn about C.P.C.T.C. Now you might be thinking, what the heck is that, Mr. Yost? Well, let me show you what it stands for. I'm going to write this really fast, so here we go. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. C.P.C.T.C. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. That is a mouthful. If you're taking notes right now, I would pause the video real quick so you can write that down. Okay, hopefully you're done pausing. Let's see here. Let me erase this guy. Okay, so what does corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent tell us? It says that if we have some triangles, which I will sketch here. I'll call it triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Again, we're not feeling super creative, but it works. Okay, ABC and DEF. All right, let's say you're given some information. Given, let's say angle A is congruent to angle D. Line segment AC is congruent to line segment DF. And angle C is congruent to angle F. Given that information, I want you guys to prove that angle B is congruent to angle E. That's what you guys are going to try to prove. Now, in order to do that, first you have to prove the two triangles are congruent. Once you prove the two triangles are congruent, then you'll be able to use C.P.C.T.C. to prove this right here. So let's start our proof. We always start with our statement and reasons. First statements are always the given, so I'm actually just going to copy and paste this here. Okay. There we go. And reason for that information is given. Okay. Now we got to always mark what we're given. So here we go. Angle A is congruent to angle D. AC, so right here, is congruent to DF. And angle C, we're going to use two congruency marks this time, is congruent to angle F. All right. Do we have enough information right now to prove that they're congruent? If we do, we're almost done with our proof. If not, we're going to have to come up with more information. Well, as I look at it, I see that we do actually have a triangle congruency. We have angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. So I can actually say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by angle, side, angle. That was a really simple proof. Basically, all we had to do was write down our given information, and the proof was pretty much done. That's kind of nice. But we got to prove this part right here. Angle B is congruent to angle E, and actually that is our next statement. Angle B is congruent to angle E. Now, let's talk about how we know this. We know these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, the parts that correspond with each other must also be congruent. A corresponds with D, therefore they're congruent. AC corresponds with DF, therefore they're congruent. AB corresponds with DE, therefore they're congruent. And so, angle B is congruent to angle E by C.P.C.T.C. Thanks for watching.